Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW. Many of you guys ask me in the comment section below, can you drive with a bad engine mount and how long you can drive? Make sure you stay until the end and we'll explain how this is very dangerous and how it can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs guys. So if you have a bad engine mount and you want to drive with one, make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy engine mounts, parts, anything for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Number 2 guys, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, but specifically on this generation BMW and most of the BMWs that we get, we try to make at least guys 500 videos on every single BMW we get at the shop. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let's explain what is an engine mount, what it does and how it can affect your driving. On most BMWs guys, okay, that you have the engine facing this way, you will have 2 engine mounts, one on the left passenger side, one on the driver side. Well, except if you're in England, Australia, they will be reversed, but you have one on the left, one on the right side. Also you have one transmission mount that's all the way on the rear side behind the transmission. And now, if you have an engine that's facing this way, you will have an engine mount here, most likely transmission mount here, and you're going to have one or two on underneath the engine, 2 mounts. But that's the most common design, having one on the left, one on the right side. If you guys have a bad engine mount, okay, you will feel vibrations, noises, clunking, because your engine will be moving. That mount will not be functioning correctly. Some of those are even filled, they're hydraulic mounts, they're filled with fluid, oil, that catches the fine vibrations, and if your rubber is even broken, okay, that can cause quite a bit of engine movement. Why it is super dangerous to drive with a bad mount? Pretty simple guys, your engine will be moving. Let's say you're accelerating, hard acceleration. When you press your gas pedal down, okay, your engine will move up and down, okay, instead of staying, okay, fixed to the body of the vehicle. That movement, okay, first it's dangerous, second going in a curve, okay, that can cause the car to be unbalanced and unstable. Another thing, that extra movement guys will cause noise, clunking, okay, vibrations, and excessive movement can cause damage to the hoses, to the cooling system, because you can see how tight everything fits. And if that engine keeps moving, you can even break your radiator, you can destroy your belts, hoses and wiring harness. In some cases, if you break a wire, because the engine will be moving and that wire can get some tension on it and it's a positive wire, you can even catch your car on fire guys. So it's very, very dangerous to drive with a bad engine mount if you have. So replace it as soon as you can. Now if you have one that's bad, replace both of them. Why? Because most likely you put enough stress on the other one already and it's old. If you keep driving with a bad mount, okay, you will cause even more damage to, let's say, transmission mounts. Okay, every single mount that you have. Also you can cause damage guys, okay, to oxygen sensors, because when the engine keeps moving up and down, your oxygen sensor may hit and that can damage it. So I've seen that happen as well. If you have a BMW guys, okay, check this channel out. That's our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. We have videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars. We have videos that explain how to do car diagnostics, fix engine lights, airbag lights, things like that. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.